Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and artist. Today I'm going to show you how to do the puddle pour technique. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Make sure to wear protective gloves and cover any surfaces before starting. First of all, I'm going to pour my colours onto the canvas. With each colour, you should aim to pour them in the middle of the previous colour. This enables you to layer the colours on top of each other and create a pattern. Keep pouring your paints until you feel you have enough to cover the canvas. Now, lift up your canvas and slide the tray underneath to collect any spillage. You can move the canvas around to create your pattern. To retain the puddle shape, tilt your canvas in a long, slow movement. If you don't have enough paint on your canvas, you can always top it up. Move it around until you are happy with your piece. Make sure you place it on a level, plastic-covered surface to dry, otherwise the paint will continue to move. For more fluid art techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.